This page shows all the available rooms and the rooms that are booked in the hotel. Click on to a vacant room and select Quick Check-in. In the Quick Check-in page, under Arrival Details, enter the number of guests, the nights of stay, and age. Under Customer Info, enter the mobile number, name, address, city. Under Advance Info, enter advance amount and mode of payment. Click on to the Save option. Quick check-in is saved successfully. You can either view or print the receipt, and you can also either view or print the GRC acceptance tariff. Quick check-in with advance posting has been done successfully. Thank you.